Madam Jennifer Monserrat, Minister for the IT, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, IAS Secretary for IT, Mr. Nirmod Kumar, the Director for the METI, Srimati Ankita Ananda, IAS Director for the IT. Also, I would like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Nitin Kokalekar, the President of METI, Atul Jadhav, Chairperson for the CII, Yatin Kakodkar for the Secretary for the GCCI, all the member of CII, GSA, GCCI, METI, and the investors from the state of Goa and from the different part of the India also. First of all, I thank you for the overwhelming response for this meet. As Sanjay Kumar had told me, there are already more than 30 companies, different companies have registered for, especially for these programs. The Electronic Manufacturing Cluster schemes was introduced by the METI to provide the world-class infrastructure for attracting the investment in the ESDM sector. I think under this scheme, the Goa government is setting up the Greenfield Electronic Manufacturing Cluster in the 2M. The foundation stone was laid on the 13th of November 2016 by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. We know that it is a little bit late for this due to the various reasons we have late for this project, but now already the Madam Jennifer Monserrat and entire team, they have taken up this project. They are speeding up with with your support. As all of you know, at present we are celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. India iterates 75. We are celebrating the Goa iterate 60. Honorable Prime Minister have already saying all the time for the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we are saying for the Swayambhupurna Goa. I think so this is the right time to establish the industry, the electronic manufacturing industry in the state of Goa, and you people will come forward for the establishment at this time. And definitely, whatever the support, as already the madam has told, already I think since from the morning, you people are asking the different questions. Our experts also has already deliberated on the different, whatever the situation of the government, whatever the industries. And definitely you people, I think you are visiting in the afternoon session, you are visiting for the site also. I'm sure that this project will continue in a big way of my vision for creating the job for the Goan youth. That will, and also for the self-employment opportunities for the youth in the state of Goa. Setting up of the plant in the Goa, there are so many advantages, as already the madam had spoken, but still, apart from the natural beauty and the friendly people, we are having the institutions like IIT, NIT, GEC, GIM, different engineering colleges, polytechnic colleges in the state of Goa, which they produce the quality, talented pool in the state of Goa. There is a high literacy rate in the state of Goa, excellent work and life balance. Once again, there is a best health education infrastructure facilities, and there is a very good banking, and also there is a network connectivity in the state of Goa. We would like to highlight on the safety and security in my state, which we provides. The success of the pharma sector in the Goa has already proven that the potential of the Goa become the manufacturing and export hub for the India. As all of you know, the 12% of the pharma produce which is in our state, in the state of Goa. Goa is truly potential for the ingredient to make the ideal place for the electronic and manufacturing state. This is I'm not going in the details, as already the director and madam both have explained you that how many plots are there and how many we are selling. There is an approximately area of the 5.9 lakh square meter of this area, total entire area, the different two types of plots. I think since morning you already have discussed and how the transparently we are giving this plot for the different types of electronic manufacturing. So definitely, whatever the support required from our IT department, from the government, for the ease of doing the business, for the as early as for setting, we people are also looking forward for setting this type of industry setting as early as possible, so that we can go ahead. So definitely, my whole IT department and other departments will also cooperate with you and whatever the support required, they'll support for you. I think you people are going for the site visit also, as already the director of IT and entire team, whatever the facilities, even though the roads, water supplies, electricity, even though connecting road from the national highway to the project site, it is in the process. And as the IT minister has said, we are completing that till the March 2022. Will complete entire the road connectivity also for this project. One of the focus area of the government has been, it is an employment generation for the youth of Goa. I'm sure with your support, and we will be able to develop the world-class electronic manufacturing hub, and that will be the generates the employment for the Goan youth. I'm aware that you will be need the lot of trained and technical manpower, which is keeping in mind the government of Goa had already asking the more and more youth to join for the technical education, and for that purpose, and we have subsidized the technical education. The 50% of the fees we are paying from the government under the DG gift scheme. So definitely so many youths, they are joining for the technical education for the different engineering colleges in this year. So I welcome you to collaborate with the engineering college, with the Polytechnic, IIT college, and train the students and enhance the syllabus, internships, project works. And this will make the youth ready for the industry and much before they pass out from the colleges. So my government will support and assist for the investment coming into the state of Goa for the ease of doing the business. I need the support from all the stakeholders and to make the project grand success. My government will fulfill the commitment to make the 2M EMC to the grand success and make the preferred EMC in India. I'm personally monitoring the progress of the entire infrastructures. I would like to assure you that we will deliver you in time. So once again, I request to invest in the state of Goa. So that definitely, so it is a vision of Honorable Prime Minister. So Atmanirbhar Bharat and our vision to make the Swayambhurna Goa, you all people will help to make this success. Thank you for this grand success for this investment meets. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a confidence boosting feedback.